Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, please don't forget to subscribe. In today's video, I will just be doing an eyeshadow tutorial using the Jaclyn Hill palette. And if you're wondering how I kind of highlight and contour my face, please check out my other videos where I have kind of detailed on how I do my lipstick, my highlighting, my contouring, and yeah. So without wasting much of your time, let us go straight into the video. Yeah, so I have already primed my eye with the Ruma 04 P. Louise, this one, and I will be using the Jaclyn Hill palette. So oops, I will just get that. It's called Crazy, that shade. It's called Crazy in this palette, and I am just gonna start from the edges, kind of create some sort of cut crease. Take it inwards, kind of wing it that side at the edges. Yeah, we'll do the same. And I just kind of wing that one like that. I will then take the shade Oh Hello and just kind of blend that one out, just at the edges. So I'm kind of going, oops, I think when you raise your eyelid like that, it becomes easier. So I'm kind of going 50% in and 50% out of the one that I have already put, so that the two colors can just kind of blend. Yep. I'm taking Crazy now and I'm going down there. This is the Crazy one. So I'm kind of going back in with Crazy. The Crazy shade is the one that's darker. Yeah. And then I'm gonna just blend that out with Oh Hello, which is lighter than that one. Today my blending is a bit but yeah. So yes, as I was saying, I have started skipping, and I can't even talk. Yeah, so I'm kind of skipping now to keep healthy, because I love it. I'm enjoying it. I've had my skipping rope for over 4 years, imagine, and I've never used it. So last week I was like, let me see what I can do with this, and it went on well. I am then just gonna use this orange in here, this bright orange in here. It's called My Man, and I will generously go over there with that orange like that. Yeah, and just take it, blend it into that other paper. So using Oh Hello, I'm just kind of going back and taking that forward. that. I'm going to get all crazy and just kind of blend that out. That area out. I will then take the black, and it's called Temptress from the Jaclyn Hill palette, from this palette. And with that black, I will generously just go above the crazy that I have already put. And I don't want to be, I'm just kind of light-handed. I don't want that black to kind of give me problems when I am about to cut my crease. The reason I'm putting this because I just want a defined cut crease. So there we go. And when that's all blended like that, I'm just gonna cut my crease, do a cut crease. I'm doing that off camera because almost all my videos I have shown how to do a cut crease. So when the cut crease is done, I'm just going to get the yellow from here. It's called No Joke, that yellow, and pack that on my crease. I'm just gonna pack that just halfway, and then yeah. So I'm done with the yellow. I'm just going to get the gold. It's called Thalia, that gold in there, and cover the rest of the cut crease with the gold. Thalia. That's a nice name, hey? Thalia. So I'm just covering the rest of it, that with the gold. To finish up the top, I am taking crazy that I used and just kind of push that inwards, just like that, and then go over that with a black, and I'm just gonna push the black inwards as well, just blending that golden color at the edges. And that's it. So the top is done. Then I'll just use a black liner to line my top. Just slightly, nothing too major. And when that is done, I will get the black from the same palette, the one that I've used, and just kind of push it downwards, the water, just kind of below the waterline. And then blend as you go. And I'm getting crazy and kind of going underneath that black, and just to blend that color out and to connect to this side as well. So I'm just gonna clean the underneath later on, but I will now get, for the waterline, I will now get Acid Rain by Mitchell, and it's in the color, is it Nitro? What color? And that's the Acid Rain. And now we just kind of carefully go that over my waterline. And that is done. I will then use my mascara for my lashes to lift them and prep them for eyelash application. So I'm not going to finish the entire look off camera. That's just my lips. I've already done my face. It's just my lips and my hair, and I will be back with the final look. Hi guys, so I am all done now. For my lips, I decided to go with a nude look, a nude lipstick, and this is the look. This is the final. It's all done. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. If you're new, please don't forget to subscribe. It's bye for now. Until next time. Bye.